นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะ Four kinds of ultimate truth. Citta. There are four kinds of ultimate truths accepted in Abhidhamma. The first is citta. Citta is translated as consciousness. What is citta? Citta is the pure awareness of the object. Here, awareness means just pure awareness, not the awareness we use in meditation. In meditation, we use the word awareness. Awareness in meditation is actually mindfulness. In defining the word citta, awareness means just the bare awareness. It is knowing that something is there. It is something like that. That pure or bare awareness of the object is what is called citta in Abhidhamma. The word consciousness is not an adequate word for the Pali word citta. There is no better word for it, so we have to accept it as the translation for the word citta. Whenever we use the word consciousness, please understand in the Abhidhamma sense, and not in the sense known by common people. Consciousness is the pure or bare awareness of the object. It is like water which is clear. Citta is never without an object. According to Abhidhamma, we cannot block our minds from object even though we are fast asleep. We still have this flow of consciousness going on, and so long as there is consciousness, there is the object of that consciousness. That object is obscure, so we are not aware of that object. Actually, there is an object, and that object serves as something for the consciousness to hold on to. Even when we are fast asleep, even when we have fainted, or even when we are under anesthesia, there is consciousness going. Consciousness is never without an object. It is always with us. Whether we are asleep or awake, or whatever we are doing, there is always consciousness. In our life, there is not a single moment when we are without consciousness. Conventionally, we say, he is unconscious. That means he has lost consciousness. In an ordinary sense, that is true. According to Abhidhamma, he still has consciousness. There is still awareness of an object. In that case, it is awareness of an obscure object. Citta is never without an object. and citta is always with us. We Buddhists accept rebirth. Citta always goes on and on, not that it is permanent. This flow of citta, this continuity of citta goes on and on. Cittas are always with us. They are synonyms for the word citta. I think you should understand these words. The first one is vijnana. In the formula for dependent origination, the word vijnana is used. Sankhara pajjaya vijnana. Vijnana means citta. Sometimes mana is used. Sometimes citta is also used. You will find the word cettasika. The next ultimate reality is cettasika. There you have citta. Citta means mind. Then sometimes mind or citta is called manasa. Sometimes it is even called hridaya. Hridaya means the heart, both in English and in Pali, and perhaps in other languages as well. The heart and the mind are connected. The word heart is a synonym for citta or consciousness or the mind. We say he has a good heart or something like that. That does not mean the physical heart. It means he has a good frame of mind. These words are the synonyms of the word citta. Sometimes, especially when something is written in verse, writers may use these words to conform to the matters of the verse. Sometimes you need only 2 syllables. Other times you need 3 syllables. When you need 3 syllables, you will use vijnana. When you need only 2 syllables, you may use citta or mana. These are the synonyms of citta. There are 89 or 121 types of cittas or consciousness recognized in Abhidhamma or taught in Abhidhamma. In this first chapter, we will study the different types of consciousness in detail.